Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorial how to measure edge length. So as example, I will create new edge cube. I will create in the top face. Can active the snap tools and we create in here. Next, if you want to measure edge length, you can use this tool, measure tool. I will click from this corner, click hold, and then you can move into another corner. So we will show the measure length in this edge. I will select again from this corner to the top here. In the other option, I will click from this point into here. Now, if you want to delete this measure length, you can select at this point, and then you can press delete button. I will select again this base point of this measure and press delete button to erase. Okay, that's it for a basic Blender tutorial, how to measure edge length. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.